Okay, I'm an idiot, or maybe these instructions just weren't clear, but probably the former. So I've been trying to use this new feature where you can transfer the footage directly from the camera to your iPad Pro or your Android using USB-C cable. And I couldn't figure out why it wasn't working. I used all the instructions, made sure, there's a difference. If you're using the iPad, you need it to be on the GoPro Connect. And if you're using Android, you want it on MTP. Right? So what I was doing wrong is I was using the media mod, and that's why I could never get the camera to show up with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off. So here's the obvious solution. Take your camera out of the media mod. Okay, so now it's connected using GoPro Connect, and see, I finally have USB connected. So it needs to be on GoPro Connect if you're using your iPad with the USB-C connection, iPad Pro in this case, or if you're using the Lightning with the USB-C adapter. And now what you can do is view media, and it will load so much faster than if you're just doing it over regular Wi-Fi. So you can see here, select that day, go to download, and then watch how much faster this loads. I think this is 4K 60. And especially if you're doing 5K, you're gonna be waiting a long time if you're trying to do that over Wi-Fi, even 5 gig, which you should enable. If you're doing Wi-Fi, enable the 5 gig setting, 5G setting on here, rather than just the 2.4. It'll use 5G for devices that accept it, and then you can see that it transfers quite a bit faster. Okay, hope that helps.